In the automatic transmission fluid for a Nissan Altima. This is a 3.5 liter engine, and it's a 2005 model. So there's some guy who made a video. He made actually an excellent video, but he did not talk about how to take off the drain plug. This is the drain plug. Basically, I already took it off, but it's size 10 Allen wrench. So I didn't have that. As you can see here, like you see how it's sticky. So I'm gonna clean up this thing before putting it back. So I went to Harbor Freight real quick. So what I did was I tried to go cheap, of course. So I bought this thing for $2, and you can see here it comes up to 10 millimeters. I just had a feeling that it's not gonna work, and I'm glad I trust my gut. So I can see here the 10 millimeter broke in two pieces. So that tells you it's not made of a good quality. But luckily I also bought this thing here. I think this thing cost me around $14. So it's like a T-bar, but also comes up to 10 millimeters. And these ones. So this is basically what I did, and I kind of like tried to twist it and I couldn't, and I just basically got one of my tools over here. Sorry, camera's shaky. And I just kind of like put it around here, and then kind of like went around it, and then that's how I was able to break it. So that's pretty much it. I just want to keep this video very quick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait until finished draining. It's still dripping, and what I will do is I will just put in exactly the same amount that I take off. Thank you.